Welcome back, people of TechSpress. Today I'm going to show you the very easy way how to give you how to use this great application that can be helping us to do a lot of stuff, which is making money into Upwork. But the first thing to do, it's taking of course in mind, is to set up your elements. So first of all, what I'm going to do here is to set up my in this case how to act into this process, which is much more faster. So the first thing to do of course is to get started by going into Upwork. I'm going to go into the option that says sign up. This is a very easy way. So in this case, I am not going to be focusing a lot into how to create an actual account, but into how to actually earn money here into Upwork. So the first thing I wanted to do of course is to sign in directly into an account that I already have. So if you want to check out a complete tutorial of how we can actually create an account into Upwork, I have it linked down below in the description so you can check out how we can actually create that. So the first thing to do when you have of course your account here inside Upwork is to get started and complete your profile. So one of the most easiest way is to complete your profile as faster as you can possibly can, as complete as you can possibly can. Basically what's going to happen here is that when you complete your profile, you're getting more chances to get hired by the clients. So there's an employment history, there's a portfolio, there's an education, there's a video introduction, there's a certifications, LinkedIn accounts, and other experiences. So the way that you can earn money into Upwork is to show what you are, let's say, better at. And what clients are going to do is to hire you for making a specific kinds of works. So basically what I'm going to be doing here is to start by completing my profile. For example, into my employment history, you can start by going with something too small. Let's say, for example, this is your first job and you haven't worked with any clients yet. So what I do is to start, let's say for example that I work for free for a friend, right? So what I can do is to choose here into company, let's say that I type freelance, then into the city where you're locating at, or where your client is located. So in this case, let's try out with Mexico City. And here into the title, let's say that here I was hired of video editing or video editor, right? So here into month, I choose from January into the 2023. I no longer working here, so this was a one-time job like this. And here into the description, let's say that I just type that I worked for a YouTube video about cosmetics and health products for women, right? So you hit into the option that says save and you have your first employment. It's not like lying, but it's like you have done a few works for free. So what you wanted to do is to try to improve your account as much as you can possibly can. The second thing to do is to have a little bit more credibility. So to get more credibility, the first thing to do is to get verified. So to get verified, click into your account, go for verify your badge, and here's going to be asking you to verify your identity. So to verify my identity, this one costs 35 connection. So what I need to do is to buy a few connects to verify my identity. So here to choose the amount that you want to buy. Let's say for example, like I clicked in here, let's say that we need 30, so I'm going to just buy 40 for that. Here my account will be charged, my new connection balance, this location, the promo code, and I make the verification process. To make the verification process, what you need to do is to import an identification ID, a valid ID identification card, such as a passport, credential, or whatever. Then when you upload that and you uploaded your own packages of that, what you wanted to do is to go into the option that says find work. Now this is the most crucial part in order to earn money here into Upwork. What I need to do is to look out not for any job, but to filter them and try to look one kind of job that I think that I'm currently really good at, something that I can reach value for it. For example, this one says Spanish BA for influencer outreach. So I'm going to click into it and let's see what are they looking for. They're looking for someone who can identify, who can contact and onboard content creators from TikTok and Instagram. My main responsibility will be to find creators who align with their brand and invite them to join the new creator program, whatever. This is what we're doing here. This is what they are looking for. The fluent in Spanish, prior expertise with outreach and content creator management is plus, strong communication and organized skills, bonus if you're familiar with the content creator landscape in LATAM. Right, so this information will be really great and important for me. So what I'm going to be doing here is that I choose the option that says apply now. With the apply now, each time you submit a proposal, you needed to pay for a few connections. So in this case, it says that this proposal cost 11 connections. So connections are to make submitting proposals. So this is really great because if you talk about freelancer.com, for example, there are tons of several people that do a lot of proposals for free. So in this case, you have a chance because this is a little bit more specific and private. So this is your chance to get the job details. The last thing to do is that I recommend you to work on with ChatGPT or Gemini, for example, that can be helping you to generate your connection, how much you will be receiving, and all that. The last thing that I can totally suggest you is that if you're just getting started into Upwork, try to make that the full amount of your bid is really low budget, because we don't want to do this for money at the first time. What we want to do is to earn a few batches, is to earn some credits, is to earn a few, in this case, clients. So once you have like 5 or 10 connections, like 10 jobs already working into Upwork, then you can start to lower, raising a little bit more your proposals, and you can earn more money. So this is how you can earn money here into Upwork. A really basic tutorial how we can get started. Hopefully guys, this was a very specific tutorial for you guys. I'm going to be focusing into something specific into Upwork. If you want to know something specific about this application, you can let us know in the comments below. So thank you guys once again for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hopefully we can all see you next time.